All right, guys, here's kind of a tip for if you have these low-profile tires, wheels, and they get curb rash on them. Here's kind of a tip here. I found this, it's a Sharpie paint pen, and it's an oil-based paint, so it's perfect for this kind of application. It's even got the little ball inside that you shake it up here. But this is a satin black. This is more of a gloss black, but it actually makes it, covers it up pretty well. So anytime you have any kind of curb rash, like right here, it just, you know, the silver metal just shows through when you hit a curb rash and it just looks kind of unsightly. So we just shake up the paint pen here, pop off the top, and it's just got this black tip, and you push in, you can push in the tip against the hard surface, and it kind of, the more paint comes out. But we can just kind of touch up here. The nice thing with this paint pen is you don't have to get out a paintbrush. Before I would use like some satin black paint, or I'd spray some spray paint into a cup and then have to use a paintbrush. This you can just touch up right here with the paint pen. You can see how it's kind of touched up. Makes it look a lot better. Inside of the paint pen cap, there's kind of like a gasket that seals this off so the paint tip stays moist, so you don't have to worry about the paint drying inside of the paint pen. This is the front one here. This one has a little bit more. Got a little bit of curb rash there. That one's looks like it might have been touched up, but here you can kind of see the metal showing through right here. You can see how it just kind of covers up the metal. It looks better than the metal showing through. Just get the paint in there. Nice thing, you can just keep this paint pen in your car. And it touches it pretty easily there. So it really hides it pretty good. And on this top part here, we can do the same thing. All right, so these Sharpie paint pens are a really good solution for this curb rash kind of stuff. So pick one of these up. These are pretty cheap, easy to use, convenient. You just keep these in the car, touch up any curb rash that you have, and kind of improves the look of the car instead of the metal showing through. Guys, all right, thanks for watching the video.